And that's when I launched into the digital marketing world. And what I loved about it was the fact that I could have my freedom back. I could find customers online. I never, you guys, I've been doing this for 18 months now. I've never had to go find a customer. I've never had to follow up with a customer. I've never had to friend request anybody or slide into anybody's DM or comments. I have learned through this blueprint, this process, how to attract customers to me. Attraction marketing. It's been a breath of fresh air. And what I loved about it, you guys, is it gave us a 300 daily pay blueprint to follow. I was like, oh my gosh, 300 a day, that's 109,000 a year. That's a dream come true, right? I'm a mom of 6 kids. I only have 2 left at home. And I would have loved to be able to have that type of freedom. So I launched my business on September 10th of 2022. You guys, the company sets up the website for us that eliminated tech, right? All I had to do was copy and paste a few things in it. I had my first $300 day on the 13th, and then a 600, then a 300, then a 900. You guys, I couldn't wrap my head around it. I'm only sharing all this with you because that's how my journey begun. But I started having success. And I'm telling you what I'm doing, anybody can do. And I wanted to make sure my customers were not just floundering out there. I wanted to help them have success as well. So I created our community, which is the digital growth community. And I want to show that to you guys because it was created with a goal in mind of last year, literally bringing in 1,000 people into the community. I was like, oh my gosh, if we can grow by, this is our community, you guys. If you can see right here, we are at 12,400 people now. I think earlier Matha said we're at 12,300, right? That's how fast we're growing. It's absolutely amazing. The growth of our community. But I just want to share with you guys, I had a goal inside of 2023 to put 1,000 people inside this community because I knew if we had 1,000 people inside this community, I just knew we could create many 4, 5, and even 6-figure income earners. There's Matha, you guys, that I'm talking to you guys about. Look at this. She literally lost her job on February 25th, and she literally has hit 5,050 this month. She was able to replace her income that quick. That's the stories I love. That's why I'm so passionate about what we have here. Oh, look at this. She smashed her goal. You guys, that's $188,000 in Rand money. She's from South Africa. 10,000 already in the US. And I'm sharing this with you because this is why I wanted to create this community, right? I wanted to make sure people felt part of something. And so the community got launched. We ended up hitting 1,000 members in May of 2022. And you can see now where we were at. And one thing that I noticed in my program that I had, it's really a program that a digital product that you go through by yourself. And I loved it, but I loved the interaction with the community. And I realized that the community and the live interactive calls was everything. And that's when last year I was thinking about creating a program, an interactive program to have people really work together. And in January of 2024, I was really motivated and inspired and kind of pushed to do it sooner. I was kind of holding myself back because of fear, right? The fear of the unknown. And the reason why I was held back is because, sometimes we don't believe in ourselves enough, right? How many of you guys have raise your hand if you want to do something, but you've never believed enough in yourself? That's where I was, right? But I needed to borrow my own belief because you guys, this product, digital product that I'm going to talk to you guys about in this program, you guys, I was able to take it and make $1 million in 17 months. And I'm a mom. I'm a mom. Like I can't even, that is so hard for me to still say I'm a mom. So one of the things in my 18 months that I noticed was the biggest problem was a lot of people had a lot of courses in their computer and they weren't having success. They weren't doing anything, right? Because they didn't have a coach They didn't have a mentor. And that's why I was like, that's it. I want to launch an interactive program that people can feel part of something, where people can work together, celebrate each other's success. And that's why we are launching, you guys. We are launching our Legacy Builder program, where not only do I want to show you guys how to work 2 hours a day, I want to help you master how you can get your income earning activities done in 2 hour a day.